Hi, this is Bruno from Bella Vista. Today we're going to take a look at a new arrival. This is a 2019 Sportscoach 365. The Sportscoach is a rear diesel by Coachmen RV, and the Sportscoach has been presented into the marketplace as a newly redesigned coach that is going to be a price leader in the marketplace for rear diesels. This coach is sitting on a Freightliner straight rail chassis powered by a 340 horse ISB Cummins engine, 6-speed Allison transmission, and it is equipped with Freightliner's V-Ride to give it better ride and handling. You'll notice the full body paint on the coach itself, nice large exterior awnings. We have an outside entertainment, and of course this coach has been built to CSA standards for the Ontario marketplace. We have nice large aluminum side swing doors. And let's take a look at some of our storage. So we have our first pass-through compartment here. Nice deep bins, good clearance height for the pass-through. We have an additional large compartment here that is also full pass-through. Nice deep thick seals for our doors, and then we have a third large compartment that is just a traditional compartment, as we have our water tanks down in behind there. You'll notice our doors are fully insulated, fully painted, and an aluminum door. Let's take a walk inside and look at some of the interior features that the Sportscoach has to offer. First, when you walk in, you'll notice an individual composite tile versus many of our competitors' linoleum floors. We're using the large electric fridge, and you'll notice with this LG there's lots of storage space as well. It's a French style, so we have a nice deep freezer with additional pull-out and ice maker. We also have water and ice through the door here. As we make our way back, a nice large dinette with good storage below and full pull-out drawers. And then our kitchen right across. Really nice Corian countertops, residential faucet. We have our recessed range. Our power center here pops up to expose USBs and 2 additional plug-ins. We have nice deep drawers for pots and pans, and also the drawers are all easy self-closing. Beautiful tiled backsplash, and then we have an LG residential convection microwave. So you can do your microwaving, but you can also cook as an oven. We have beautiful cabinetry throughout the unit. This has been redesigned for 2019. Nice pantry here, nice and close to your cooking and prep area. Of course, we have a beautiful fireplace with a Polk audio soundbar and flat screen TV. Now the 365 is a bath and a half double slide coach, so our guest bath is right here. Good countertop space, medicine cabinets, really nicely appointed. As we make our way into the bedroom, we have a king-size bed on a slide-out, storage above. Really great storage in the bedroom here. A few deep drawers, lots of shelving, our flat screen TV with storage behind it. We've optioned in the 2-piece washer dryer, because if you plan to travel for long times on the road, that washer dryer is going to really come in handy. Then of course we've got our entertainment back here, an additional radio, and USB charging center back here. As we make our way into our main bath, we have a nice large shower with big skylight above, deep countertop with stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet. We have a beautiful storage compartment here. Look how deep and how much space we actually have. And then we have additional hanging storage here and shelving above. Also, Sportscoach is using the Tecma macerator flush toilets, so more water efficient, but also better operation across the board. Now you'll notice in most diesels when you come into the bedroom, you're going to step up. On the Sportscoach, when you look down the floor line as I'm doing here, you'll notice it's all one level. There's no step up in the bedroom or in the bathroom. So just a nice feature. You get up in the middle of the night, have to walk around. There's no steps that you're going to be tripping over. All LED lights throughout, nice tall clearance heights, and we have a soft touch ceiling, of course. Now we've also optioned a couple of extra features in this specific coach. In this coach we have put on the in-motion satellite. We've upgraded the front AC from 13,500 BTUs to 15,000 and have had the heat pump added in as well. And then out front we have our Diamond Shield paint protectant to help protect the nose from stone chips, etc. As we make our way to the front, you'll notice a nice little work area here so you can spin the passenger seat around. You have some additional storage. We have a table that inserts in between, but you'll notice these are nice, large, very comfortable seats. We have the custom Sportscoach logo embroidered into them. We have truck style pedals on the bottom as we're using a Freightliner, and all our controls are right at our fingertips. We also have an extra large screen here for your radio. You can also select it and sync your phone, put a USB or SD card. You can even use your dual mirror function by hooking up your phone to it if you like. And then there's a charging center up front as well to keep your MP3s, your phones all charged while you travel down the road. Gauges are nice and large, very easy to read, and right in front where you need them. Now we also have the drop-down bed in this unit, so you'll notice right here we have a great drop-down bed for additional sleeping. So if you do have a number of guests you want to take with you, this layout is very efficient, as you have your drop-down bed, you have your dinette that converts, as well as a sleeper in the sofa. So if you're in the market for a great coach, want to have lots of value, really nice build quality, and you want to be in the best price diesel with the most amount of features for the money, take a look at the brand new 2019 Sportscoach by Coachmen RV. You will not be disappointed. Absolutely phenomenal features, great build, and price that is unheard of. Lowest price diesel in the marketplace. Definitely time to get yours if you're looking to step up to a diesel or getting in and wanting to start traveling. Well, this is Bruno from Bella Vista. For more information on this great coach and other coaches we carry, please visit our website at www.bellavistarv.com. If you liked the video, please click the like button and feel free to subscribe to our channel, and we'll notify you of new videos as they become available on the Coachmen and other great products carried here at Bella Vista RV. This is Bruno saying I wish you a happy and safe camping season. Take care.